Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard water soft for washing hair. Start by testing your water hardness with a kit so you know what to treat. Try an easy vinegar or citric acid, rinse immediately after shampoo to dissolve mineral buildup. Use a chelating or clarifying shampoo once a week to remove deposits. Monitor hair texture and adjust frequency until hair feels clean, soft, and manageable. Use quick rinses to see immediate improvements in hair feel and manageability. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and pour over hair, then rinse lightly. For a less scented option, dissolve a teaspoon of citric acid in a cup of water and rinse. Follow with cool water and a lightweight conditioner to seal the cuticle and maintain softness throughout the week. For lasting change, consider household upgrades that remove minerals before they hit your hair. A shower filter or whole home softener can cut calcium and magnesium that cause stiffness and dullness. Salt-based softeners exchange ions and are very effective, while salt-free conditioners reduce scale without adding sodium. Maintain with chelating shampoos and occasional vinegar rinses to keep deposits from returning and to preserve hair shine and manageability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.